There are several different types of manual pumps. I'm going to explain a few real quick. This is the Haakaa. It is a completely silicone pump. It's also used a lot as a milk catcher. So if mother is nursing her baby on one breast and she tends to leak a lot, she could suction this to the other breast to catch that excess milk that can be then given to baby later. But how it works is you squeeze the bottle and the mother would place it on her breast and it creates suction and it will hold that suction. So it just naturally draws out the milk. To use it as a hand pump, you could suction it and then she could massage or hand express into the pump, or she could break suction, do it again as many times as the mother needed. Comes with a milk sealer so the milk doesn't leak out, which is pretty handy. Another one is the Ameda Harmony. This is a manual pump that has two different types of suction. So when the mother places this on her breast, she's going to start out with this faster suction to mimic a baby at the beginning of a feed. That's to stimulate the letdown. Once the mother starts to see sprays of milk here into the phalange, then she could switch to the more rhythmic sucks, again to mimic the baby. So you can see that right here. Very easy to use. Mothers can use it with one hand. There's no cords, no electricity needed, so she can use it anywhere. She doesn't have to be tied to an electrical outlet. Another thing to note on most all pumps, regardless of if they're electronic or manual, this valve piece is very important. If it is slit, torn, if it's not secure, if it's missing, the pump will not work. So I'm going to kind of demonstrate that real fast. I took it out. I'm going to get the bottle back in there. And I'm going to show you that nothing happens. So that is the barrier that creates the suction for the pump to work. The same thing goes for electronic pumps as well. So if you have a mother that says her pump doesn't work, always ask about that little piece. Another manual pump is the Ameda. Can be used with one hand, which is great. The mother would just squeeze these green handles here. So place it on my breast model and you can see, there it goes. So this, compared to the Harmony, it just has one suction so you can control whether it's fast or slow with your hand. And those are some manual pumps.